Hello dear students, this is Trilok Singh, your English teacher, posted at Government Higher Secondary School Umreli, Kartala, Korba. So dear students, once again I welcome you all to this video class, and today we are going to learn the third lesson of Vistas, and the name of this lesson is The Enemy, written by Paul S. Buck. This is a very interesting story. So dear students, first of all I request you all to note down these word meanings. These word meanings will help you to understand the lesson. Actually, I am not going to deal all the lessons. I will just tell you the summary, and at the end of the summary, I will ask you some questions. So please listen to the summary very carefully. This story highlights how a Japanese doctor helped the American prisoner of war. He saves his life, and he risks his own life, his position, his honor, everything by sheltering him. And this story was written during the Second World War. At that time, America and Japan were at war. So first of all, I would like to tell you the characters. There are mainly main characters, mainly 8 characters in this story. Dr. Sadao Huki, a Japanese doctor, and Sadao's father, Hannah, Tom, the old general, gardener, Yimi, and cook. This gardener, Yimi, and cook, they are the servant of Dr. Sadao. So these are the characters, but the main character of this story is Dr. Sadao himself, who learns surgery and medicine in America and becomes very famous doctor and scientist as well. In America, he met Hannah. They became very good friends, and later on they got married after returning from America. Most of the doctors were sent to serve the Japanese army, but Sadao was allowed to stay home because he was wanted by an old general who was suffering from severe disease and needed operation, and he trusted only Dr. Sadao. So one day it so happened that an American prisoner of war was washed ashore by the sea in front of Dr. Sadao's house. He tried to get up. He crawled towards Dr. Sadao's house but fell unconscious. Dr. Sadao and Hannah looked at him. They rushed towards him to save his life, but they could not recognize him because of mist. But as soon as they reached there, they found that the person who was injured was an enemy. He was an American. So Dr. Sadao hesitated to treat him and thought of leaving him there to die, and threw him back into the sea. But his conscience did not allow him, as he was a doctor. And then he found that the soldier was wounded badly. He was injured badly. He was shot at from behind, and the wound was continuously bleeding. So Dr. Sadao plugged the wound with moss and took him to his house. Hannah helped her husband in treating the soldier, but all the servants, Yemi, the cook, and the gardener, objected this act of kindness towards an American, and they left the job. Seeing his wife in distress, Dr. Sadao decided to visit the old general. He visited the old general and narrated the whole incident. The general assured him that he would help him, and he told him that he would send the assassin. He would send the assassin to kill the prisoner, and he also instructed him to keep the back door open at night. Dr. Sadao did the same, but the assassin did not come. He got tired of waiting. Then he decided to get rid of this problem. He helped the American by providing information as to way to escape and necessary things which he required to survive in the sea. And on his next visit, he told the general that the assassin had escaped. The general recalled that he had promised that he had failed to fulfill his promise, and he did not say anything to Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao realizes that he is safe now, and he should be thankful towards the general. Gradually, everything becomes normal, and all the servants come back and rejoin their duties, and Dr. Sadao even though he hated the Americans, he helped the prisoner and saved his life. Thus he proves that humanity and the doctor's duty are more important than any emotion and any other responsibility. So dear students, this is all about the summary of this lesson. I hope you must have understood and enjoyed. So as usual, now this is homework time, and for the homework I am going to give you some questions, and you have to answer these questions. These are very simple questions. Who was Sadao? Who was Hannah? Where did Sadao learn surgery and medicine? Fourth question, why couldn't Sadao and Hannah recognize the American prisoner of war? Fifth question, why did Tom fall unconscious? Sixth question, why did the servants leave their job? Seventh question, how did Sadao get rid of the American soldier? And the last question is, what would you do if you were in place of Dr. Sadao? So thank you very much for listening and attending the class, and I request you all, once again I request you all to write down the answer of these questions and send me personally on my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.